In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to eat healthy, how to eat tasty, how to eat well, how to lose weight with a Kamado grill. Stick around. Today I want to talk about eating healthy and maybe losing weight with your Kamado grill. Now I know there's not a lot of videos on this, and so I thought today we would kind of explore how it's possible to lose weight. Now I've lost 12 pounds since I've gotten a new PRIMO grill, and the way I've done it is I've eaten a lot of skinless, boneless chicken breasts. It's a very lean and healthy protein that you could eat a few times a week. The problem is that traditionally, to make it in the oven or a pan, it's pretty much tasteless. But one of the things about cooking on a Kamado style grill is it's very easy to enjoy skinless chicken breast because not dry, it still comes out very juicy, and it has a very good smoke-rich flavor to it. And so it's not very difficult to eat healthy with this type of grill. And it's super simple too, and that's the other thing. So tonight we're gonna grill up some skinless chicken breast. Now, this is a very quick cook, okay? This is a direct grill, and it's only a few minutes per side because you don't want to overcook this chicken and dry it out. But it's great for midweek. It's great for coming home after work for a quick meal. But the first thing we do is let the grates get hot, and then we put some vegetable oil on so that the chicken breasts don't stick. This is an important step.
Smooth.
Next, add the chicken breasts. And as you can see here, this is plain, no seasoning, no salt, just plain chicken breast. After a few minutes of cooking, flip the breasts over. And in the Weight Watchers diet plan, chicken breast has 0 points. So the only points we're going to be adding is the sauce and the Gorgonzola cheese to give it some flavor. Pair this with some healthy side dishes like corn, roasted asparagus, and roasted broccoli. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please comment below on your favorite low-calorie, healthy dish to make on your Kamado.